irrationals. What are these imperfect numbers? Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Therefore, 1 is a perfect number. Root 2, root 3, root 4 is 2. Perfect number. Root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, root
Okay.
9. Root 9 is 3.
Sir, your video.
What happened?
Nothing, sir. Nothing,
Nothing,
sir.
sir. Nothing,
Nothing,
sir.
sir, nothing.
जहीरुद्दीन अदनान क्या हुआ जी? बार बोल
Clear,
दो बोले।
sir. Clear, sir.
प्रॉब्लम आपको है। रूट 9 इज अ परफेक्ट नंबर. रूट 10, रूट 11, रूट 15, रूट 16 is 4, root 17. What are numbers of this form called? Irrational numbers. Cube root of 1 is 1. Cube root 2, cube root 3, cube root 4. कहाँ तक? Cube root 7. Cube root of 8 is 2. Perfect cube. It's a perfect number. Cube root 9. Cube root 26. What is cube root of 27? Cube root of 27, 3. Therefore, cube root of 28. Similarly, fourth root of 1 is 1. Fourth root of 2. So until where? Fourth root of 15. Fourth root of 16 is 2. Fourth root of 16 is 2. So fourth root of 16 right now. Fourth root of 17. So on. Similarly, others. What are numbers of this form called? Irrationals. There are two numbers. There are only two numbers. There are only two numbers on planet Earth. There are only two numbers on planet Earth which do not fall into this category, but they are irrationals. What are they? What are they?
I and
E and pi.
E and pi are also irrationals. Remember, we write only their approximate values. What is
Two
E
point some.
value? 2.7 and pi
point
ka
one four.
value 3.14.
3.14.
After this was there in the notes in the month of July. July का notes में ये है. It's only a quick recall. जल्दी. Let me know once you are done.
Done, sir.
Great, sir.
Completed, sir.
Finished one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look here. Number line R is equals to UNI union spelling क्या है जी? Correct है?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Union of rationals and irrationals. On the right it goes to plus infinity. On the left it goes to minus infinity. Now we spoke about this also, if you remember. For a less than b, what was open interval a comma b? Set of all x belonging to R such that a less than x less than b. On the number line, endpoints are not included. All the points in between are included. What is closed interval a comma b? Closed interval a comma b. Set of all x belonging to R. बोलो जी.
A less than or equal to x.
Less than
X less than or
Less than
equal
or
to
equal to B.
here
and B are included.
a and b are included.
Included.
All real numbers in between. Closed A, open B. Left closed, right open. Left closed, right open. Set of all x belonging to R such that
A
now
less than or
A,
equal to X less
A
than
less
B.
than or equal to X less than B.
A less than or equal to x less than B. What happens here?
A
A
is
A is
included, B
included,
is
B B is
not
not
included.
included.
B is not included. Left open, right closed. Set of all x belonging to R such that A less than x less than or equal to B. A here, B here. Here what happens? A not included, B included. All the real numbers in between. Now, what do you mean by R minus? What do you mean by R minus? Set of
Negative.
negative reals. Starts from where? Minus infinity.
Minus infinity.
Open 0. What do R plus stands for? Set of
Positive reals.
positive
0
reals.
to infinity.
In terms of interval, 0 to infinity. One बढ़िया observation. Is it open interval or closed interval? Open
Open.
interval.
Zero,
Open
zero
at
closed, sir.
infinity, 0 is closed.
Zero is closed, sir.
No, 0 is not closed. वही बोलने वाला था मैं. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Very important. What do you infer from this? First inference, 0 is neither positive nor negative. Second inference, infinity is not a real number. Minus infinity is not a real number. I told you, 3 into infinity is equal to 4 into infinity. क्या आप infinity cancel कर सकते हो? No. AB is equal to AC. क्या आप ये cancel कर सकते हो? Yes. But can you cancel off infinity? No. In fact, 1 by 1 is 1, 2 by 2 1, 3 by 3 1. Is infinity by infinity 1? Answer is no. Therefore, infinity, two inferences or three inferences in fact. Inference 1, all this I spoke during July 1st. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Next, infinity is not a real number. Minus infinity is not a real number. Since plus or minus infinity are not reals, they do not obey properties of real number system. How do you write finally? Real line R minus union 0 union R plus. So minus infinity to 0 union 0 union 0 union 0 to infinity, which gives you what? Minus infinity to plus infinity. Come on, write this. You have all this information in July notes. It's only a quick recall. Please let me know once you're done. बच्चे लोग done?
Sir.
Minutes. Hopefully, all of you, all of you, all of, in fact, seniors yesterday only, many of them, in fact, they, they messaged me on WhatsApp, one on one, saying that, like how I gave three chapters for you. सुन रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आपको तो दो ही चैप्टर, इंट्रोडक्शन, लोकस, स्ट्रेट लाइंस. Similarly, for seniors also I gave some homework. Seniors कल रात में बोल दिया मेरे को, सर हम लोगों का हो गया कर.
Done, sir.
I'm clearing this off. What is a function? What is a function? One student answered me like this. One student answered me like this. A function is something where I have huge gathering at my place. I really like functions because I can meet all my friends, all my relative friends, and all my cousins. During functions, we play very well. Hence, I like functions very much. I eagerly wait for functions. What is a function? बोलो मैम.
One input, one output.
Takes a value and do some operation and give an output.
ये इनपुट आउटपुट समान नंबर है.
जी सर.
समान नंबर है जो इनपुट आउटपुट बोले.
जी सर.
ओ, इसे क्या कहते हैं मालूम? हिंदी में कहावत है, बोलो। मेरी बिल्ली मेरे को मियाओ, मेरी बिल्ली मेरे को मियाओ। मैं जो बोला वही बोल रहे।
Y equal to f of x.
A simple way. We will not speak about say function definition through set theory. We'll learn later. A simple way, man. Function is a machine which, for a given input, it gives you certain output. Collection of inputs is called domain of the function. Collection of outputs is called
Range of the function.
range of the function. Simple, simplest form of function definition. Input output, input domain, output range. घर में एक फ्रूट जूस वाला मशीन है, एलिमिटस जूसर। मैंने एप्पल डाला, मुझे क्या देगा? बोलो जी।
Apple juice.
मैंने मैंगोस फेंका, मैंने मैंगोस फेंका, मुझे मिलेगा मैंगो जूस। I took a huge boulder of rock and I put in the juicer. What will happen?
Juicer will not work.
Shall I tell you? Before juicer not working, your father will kick you and throw you out. Your father will give you a tight slap. Useless fellow, you have spoiled juicer करके first. Now, if you put stones, juicer gone. What do you mean by this? I have a machine called f of x is equal to 1 by x. जो भी नंबर डालो, ये फंक्शन रेडीली एक्सेप्ट करेगा। 1 डालो, क्या देगा? 1। 3 डालो, क्या देगा?
1/3.
-7 डालो, क्या देगा? -1/7. This will accept all real numbers, exception one real number. What is it?
0.
0.
So this will accept all real numbers, exception 0, and it will give you all real numbers, exception 0. What is this called? Domain of the function. What is this called? Range of the function. Mathematically, we denote a function by y is equals to f of x. Draw this diagram. Draw this diagram.
Done, sir.
No. Right, some basic elementary Small problems. Look here. Pay attention. If f of x is 2x, what is f of donkey man?
Two donkey.
Two donkey.
बोलो जी. What is f of 2x? Two donkeys. Same logic. Come on. What will be f of 1 by x square? चलो
2
बोलो.
by x square.
In this function, wherever x is there, you
P
replace
plus
by
1 by x square.
1 by x square. So what does it gives you? 1 by x square minus 1 upon 1 by x square plus 1. बच्चों लोग this is clear? बच्चों लोग this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, 1 plus f of x the whole square. What is f of x?
x minus 1 by x plus 1.
इसको क्या कर रहे हो? Square divided by f of x is what man? Come on, simplify करो इसको. Remaining part is 7th standard problem.
Sir,
बोलो सुन लो.
sir, I couldn't understand the first step, sir. 1 by x square minus 1 by
What
1 by
f of 1 by what is f of x man?
minus 1 by x plus 1.
What is f of x?
X minus 1 by x plus 1.
What is f of donkey?
X minus 1 by x plus 1.
Donkey minus 1 by donkey plus 1. F of monkey minus 1 by monkey plus 1. So what is f of 1 by x square? 1 by x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. Jasim, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
You have Jasim or Uttar Pradesh?
Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. I'm recognizing many of you through your voice. I'm waiting for the answer, man. Don't keep me waiting.
Sir, -1.
Is it not -2?
So, sir, I got -1, sir. There will be some mistake with me. Sir, -2, sir.
Answer is -2.
Yes, sir, -2, sir.
Yes, sir, -2.
Shall I? You should solve it, man.
No need, sir. Completed.
What do you like it? X square LCM will cancel off. 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, correct? Hai? What's the numerator here? X plus 1 whole square plus x minus 1 whole square by x plus 1 whole square. Am I correct? Denominator x minus 1 by x plus 1. बच्चे लोग, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
1 x plus 1 will cancel off. बच्चे लोग, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square plus will give you what? 2 of a square plus b square minus will give you what? 4ab. 7th standard algebra. So what's the numerator? 1 minus x square into, what is this, x plus 1 whole square plus x minus 1 whole square?
2 into x square.
2 into x square plus 1. Denominator, what remains, man? 1 plus x square, x plus 1, x minus 1. 1 plus x square, x plus 1, x minus 1. 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square will cancel off. Agreed? बच्चों लोग, x plus
Sir,
1
yes.
to x minus 1, x square minus 1, 2 into 1 minus x square by x square minus 1. For these two to get cancelled, you should take a minus sign common. Hence, what's the answer? बच्चे लोग, there are two things here. What is log AB property?
Log A plus log B.
What is log of A by B?
Log A minus log B.
Cos of A plus B plus or minus cos of A minus B. What is plus wala? What is plus wala? What is minus wala? Minus 2 sin A sin B. And finally, all of you, please note down these formulae also in the notes. Finally, sin of A plus B plus or minus sin of A minus B. What is plus 1? What is plus wala? What is plus wala? Bolo man. 2 sin A cos B. What is sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B? 2 cos A sin B. Important formula. I told you, trigonometry will haunt you like a devil throughout your life. Wherever you go, it is behind you. Come on, answer bolo. Iska
Answer 2, sir.
answer man.
2, sir, answer.
2 correct. 2 correct. Two correct. What is f of xy? Cos of log xy plus f of x by y. बच्चे लोग, cos of log of x by y. Denominator cos of log x into cos of log y. What's the expansion? Numerator cos of log x plus log y. Second term, cos of log x minus log y. Denominator cos of
log x.
into cos of log y. बच्चे लोग, फॉर्मूला लेफ्ट में है. न्यूमरेटर इज ऑफ व्हाट फॉर्म? cos of a
Cos
plus
of a plus b plus cos of a minus b.
a minus b. What's the numerator?
2
2
cos log x cos log y.
cos denominator cos log x into cos log y. These two will cancel off. What remains? Same problem, just one simple change. Then Simple problem. At least this I did on your own. This everybody from the class should do on their own.
Zero, sir.
Correct? Who is this zero?
Saidur Rahman.
Zaidur Rahman, correct?
Zero, sir.
Zero, sir.
Answer zero hai.
Yes, sir.
You should not take so much time, man. What is f of xy? Sin log xy. Sin log बोलो जी x by y. F of x sin log x cos log y. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Sin of. अब what is log xy expansion? Log x plus log y. Log of x by y expansion. Doing sin log x cos log y. What is sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b? 2
2
sin
sin
a
A cos B.
cos b minus 2 So what's the answer here? 0. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Look at this. Pay attention. Pay attention. Those who can do can start off. Pay attention. 1 second. The entire number line is now broken into 3 tukudas. Can you see it? What is tukuda number 1? Tukuda number 1 till 0. Till 0, including 0, how is the function defined? X square plus 1. In the interval 0 to 5, remember 0 not included, 5 not included. In this interval, how is the function defined? 2x minus 1. Now last, from 5 till infinity, how is the function defined? How is the function defined? 4x plus 3. What is f of minus 10? In which interval minus 10 belongs to? First,
Less than 0. First interval. First.
minus 10 belongs to first interval. So what is f of minus 10? Bolo, minus 10 whole square plus 1, 101. What is f of 2 by 3? F of 2 by 3. What is 2
2
by 3
into 2 by
approximate
3.
value? 0.6. 0.6 will fall in which interval? First wala, second wala, or third wala?
Second.
First, second, third. Answer is
Second.
second. So it will be 2 into 2 by 3 minus 1. 4 by 3 minus 1, 1 by 3. In fact, I'm just giving examples. I'm trying to teach you. What is f of pi square? What is pi ka approximate value? Pi ka approximate value
3.14.
3.14. Square करने से what do pi square becomes? 9 point something. Where will 9 point something fall? First, second, or third? First, second, or third?
Third.
Third interval. Therefore, what is f of pi square? 4 pi square. Use this idea, draw the figure, give this, give answer for this. Simple problem.
77 plus 75.
Answer 1. What is f of 0?
1.
77 plus 70.
Where will 0 fall? Where will 0 fall?
1.
0 is at two places. Are you should not get doubt. 0 in two places. 0 first में डालना, second में डालना. First में डालना,
First में.
second में डालना. First में.
First में.
Second में 0 is not included. Second में why 0 is not included? Because 0 open interval है ये. 0 is not included. 0 is included. So what will I get? 0 square plus 1. F of 3. 3 will fall in second. So 2 into 3 minus 1. Sorry, plus additional. Plus f of 7. 7 will fall in last.
Third.
Sorry, 4 into 7 plus 3. Denominator f of minus 4. Where will minus 4 fall?
1. First one.
First one. Minus 4 whole square plus 1. Answer 1.
37 by 17.
How much?
37 by 17. Sir, 37.
37.
37 by 17, sir.
27 by
57 is right. This is step function. This is step function. Hopefully you did not forget this. Hopefully you did not forget this. I explained step function earlier. What is step of all the real numbers that lie between 0 and 1?
1.
Step
0.
1.
0.
Step of all the real numbers that lie between 0 and 1. 0.
0.
Step of all the real numbers that lie between 1 and 2.
1.
1.
Step of all the numbers that lie between 2 and 3.
2.
2.
Step of all the numbers that lie between minus 1 and 0.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Of all the real numbers that lie between minus 1 and minus 2.
Minus
Minus
2.
2.
Minus 2 and so on. So what's the answer?
1 by root 2, sir. 1 by root 2.
Who's this?
Saidur Rahman.
Saidur Rahman is absolutely correct. Saidur Rahman is absolutely correct. What will I get? F of under root of pi by 4 is equal to cos of pi by 3 into step of under root pi by 4 minus under root pi by 4 whole square. Am I correct? बच्चे लोग, am I correct?
Yes,
बच्चे लोग,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
pi approximate value. Pi approximate value is 3.14. Where will pi by 4 lie between? Where will pi by 4 lie between?
1.
Lie between 0 and 1.
Yes, sir.
3.14 by 4. Does it lie between 0 and 1?
Yes,
In
sir.
इन वैल्यूज का क्या ले रहे हैं? इन वैल्यूज का क्या ले रहे हैं?
Step.
स्टेप ले रहे हैं. स्टेप क्या देगा? 0. So this will be cos of pi by 3 into 0. What is root pi by 4 whole square?
Pi by 4.
Cos of minus pi by 4. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Now we will first study how to write domains of functions, which I call as rules in writing. I'll speak about those basic rules. Tomorrow we'll discuss problems on this. Wherever, while defining the rules, then and there we'll give one or two small, simple examples. इसके ऊपर complicated and much more bigger problems, which come generally in JEE, mains, advanced and BITSAT, that we'll do, or that we'll start doing from tomorrow. Will take 3-4 days. 1. When is 1 by f of x defined? बच्चे लोग बोलना.
If f of x is not equal to 0.
When is 1 by f of x jinda? When is 1 by f of x alive? When will 1 by f of x breathes life? If and only
F of x is not equal to 0.
say small kuti examples. F of x is equal to 1 by x plus 1. F of x is equal to 1 by x square minus 7. F of x is equal to 1 by pi x square minus 3. F of x is equal to 1 upon when is first one defined? We are writing
X
domain.
equal to not, if x is not equal to -1.
Denominator should not be 0. Means what, man?
Is not equal to -1.
x is not equal to minus 1. Means this function, what do you mean by this? This function is accepting all real numbers exception minus 1. Other than minus 1, this function accepts all real numbers. उस minus 1 को उठाओ, बाहर फेंक दो. Pick up minus 1, throw it out. Pick up minus 1, throw it out. So what's the domain? All real numbers exception minus 1. On the number line, minus 1 is not included. What is one more form of writing the same answer in terms of intervals? In terms of intervals, minus infinity to minus 1 union, minus 1 to infinity. This answer and this answer, both are one and the same. This is I am writing r minus minus 1. I have shown that in terms of figure. Minus 1 को उठाओ, फेंक दो. Lift it, throw it. Pick it up, throw it. I did this by means of interval also. Similarly, other three. Next one, man. X square minus 7 not equal to 0. चलो, x square not equal to 7. X not equal to plus or minus root
Plus or
7.
minus.
So what's the domain? All real numbers exception plus or minus root 7. चलो, number line पे root 7 minus root 7. These two are not included. Can you write the answer in terms of interval? Practice that also. Well, how do you write? Minus infinity minus root 7 union minus root 7 to root 7 union root 7 to infinity. Next. Next. 5x square minus 3 not equal to 0. 5x square not equal to 3. X not equal to plus or minus root over 3 by 5. R minus plus or minus root over 3 by 5. Second form you write. You write the answer in terms of interval also.
Done, sir.
Chalo, done. What about last one?
Last one, all real numbers.
4x square plus 11 is always positive. 4x square plus 11 is not equal to 0 for all x belonging to R. So what's the domain of the function? That is where will x belongs to in terms of interval minus infinity to plus infinity. Second one. When is root of f of x defined? If and only if f of x is greater than and equal to 0. The term inside the square root must also be positive and equal to 0. Examples. This we will discuss later. बच्चे लोग waiting answer first one.
Sir, close bracket minus 3 by 2 comma infinity.
2x plus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Correct? X greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. On the number line. minus 3 by 2 का कहाँ जा रहे हो? राइट में या लेफ्ट में? राइट में. So what's the domain? X belongs to closed minus 3 by 2. Open infinity. Next one, man. Next one.
Minus infinity to 7.
Infinity to 7 by 5.
Closed.
7 minus 5x greater than or equal to 0. 7 greater than or equal to 5x. 5x less than or equal to 7. x less than or equal to 7 by 5. आप 7 by 5 का लेफ्ट में जा रहे हो या राइट में? लेफ्ट में जा रहे हो या राइट में? लेफ्ट में. Therefore, where will x belongs to? Minus infinity, comma 7 by 5 closed. Okay, we shall continue tomorrow. Log in fast. Log in at the earliest. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.